Well, let me show you how to set this up for this week's collaboration. We're just going to use the Google Doc. And so after you've brainstormed, you've got your ideas going, you know what you want to say about the text, and you know the quotes you want to use, then what you do is you want to highlight your quotes. So you can just kind of select them like that. I've already highlighted them. And after you select them, you click the highlight button, choose the color, and they will have a color. Okay, so I could, for instance, take the same quotes and let's say unhighlight them, and then decide to highlight them again. All right, and then after you've highlighted the quotes, then you use the blue arrow to add a comment, which I've added here. And what I love about this passage, it's the last page of one of last week's readings for the voice thread, is that it combines a false sense of security. That is, modern science has congratulated itself on the eradication of infectious disease, and yet lurking in the shadows is the new disease. And I like the way Schultz parallels the sense of pride against the backdrop of disaster. It's like, my God, you know, we're bulletproof. Nothing will hurt us. And then, Chicago men having immune problems. And then inflamed lymph nodes. We'll later learn that, well, that's the first thing that happens when people are infected with HIV, long before they get sick with AIDS. So it's kind of a wonderful, subtle thing about, we thought we'd conquered everything, and yet hiding in the shadows is this new disaster waiting to unfold. I can't say all that in my comment. I'd be writing forever. But you get the idea. Highlight the passage and explain why you like it. Hopefully that'll help you.